This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's go through the details on Bitcoin. We had a pullback from a descending triangle. I want to bring you the technicals. Number one trade group VIP in the house. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's dig into the charts real quickly. Guys, let's go ahead and look at the framework. I have some exciting news, guys, in terms of technicals. I've identified on the 4-hourly time frame the most pressing critical level right now for Bitcoin. Want to shout out to the VIP. We caught the drop in the back. VIP making money today. We'll talk about the longs, the shorts, everything. Take a look right now at the 4-hourly. Hugely important, guys. Look at the 20 moving average in pink. Do you see that we're currently trying to hold the 20 moving average? Now, I'll tell you, if we set a candle underneath the 20 moving average, guys, the 20 moving average on that 4-hourly Bollinger Band, the downside band will become the target. That's not my idea, guys. That's a trade tactic from the New York Institute of Finance. Yes, if we cross the threshold of that 20 moving average on the 4-hourly, the bottom band will become the target. Now, what was the nemesis? What did we run into today? I want you to look at the weekly chart. And guys, shout out to the VIP. Exciting, guys, exciting. Look at this, guys. Exciting trades in the back. Let's go ahead and look at a few of them right now. Steve Hinton with a 267%. Very nicely done on that short. Way to catch it, guys. We caught the, we caught the top and the back in terms of a descending triangle. We'll go over that in a second. Look at Venus, 725%. That was a big trade, guys. These are not light and the loafer style trades. Congratulations, Venus. Huge profits. Way to go. Gulshan, 219%. Sidra, 142%. We got Liam, 228%. Guys, some heavy hands in the back. Gulshan there with 461%. If I missed your trade, guys, let me know and we will cover it here in a bit. Now, in terms of the weekly, this is what we ran into. This is exciting to be able to point this out to you. On the weekly, do you see the Bollinger Band, the 20 moving average? Boom. And guys, this is a big level. If we were to flip this, if we were to get up on top of that 20 moving average, what is the New York Institute of Finance saying? Guys, that's where Wall Street goes to school. Bottom line, you find a great trader on Wall Street. Where did they go to school? New York Institute of Finance, to hone their technical analysis skills, guys, their trade skills. So looking at this specific level, it did act as a resistance. It's a key focal area because if we can flip this 20 on the weekly, we do have an upside target, which would be that top band. If these trade tactics sound interesting to you, and if you're trading spot or leverage, we welcome you to join our trade group. Now, looking at the specific pattern, yes, we caught that descending triangle. Remember, descending line of resistance, a flat bottom support can serve as a top in the market. Bottom line. So yes, we caught that in the back. Congratulations to the VIP who are trading. Guys, it's London. We've had a great week thus far. And I just want to let you know we're staying on top of our trade game here, and we're doing that for the VIP. Let's look at the daily very quickly. I want to point out a bit of an inconsistency that we're looking at right now in the charts. And I just want to, guys, as I promote the group, I want you to understand the following. We really promote the group because we're consistently looking for the traders who want to beat the market. That's the bottom line. It's not a promo. It's not a sales pitch. We like to be around the traders who want to beat the market. Alpha, the percentage by which you beat the market. If you want to be alpha, guys, if you want to maintain that edge on the market, that's what our group is all about. Ask anybody, and you'll hear that, guys. A lot of former professionals, financial, I'll say white collar, blue collar. The only thing, important facet is that you want to beat the market. Looking at the daily on the lines, I want to contrast this very quickly. This level of resistance across the top, this ascending level of support as well. It is I'm going to say, guys, amidst a breakout of a pattern, it is technically a bear flag, a move to the downside in an upward sloping channel. It just is. So be prepared for the key level of interaction to be that 4-hourly 20, that 20 moving average on the 4-hourly. Can bulls, guys, I'm going to say they're either going to maintain up above or we're going to set a candle below and have a downside target. That's the best litmus test that I can give you right now. But I wanted to show you the daily for the following reason. On the lines, just so that you understand how, guys, how plugged into your A game you have to be if you're trading Bitcoin. Pay attention because on the lines, you've got a bear flag, right? But on the actual, taking a look at this, on the actual candle wicks, yes, you still have that ascending channel there within the scope and framework of the bear flag. However, you also have a very clearly identified range. Bam. So the reasonable expectation that you would have moved, right, that we would have moved from this pivot 1, pivot 2, pivot 1, pivot 2 on these, really pivot 3 across the top line of resistance or the bottom line support. Very clearly identified range. So the repeat expectation measured move to the upside, guys, just literally the amplitude move carried up. It's just the bulls failed to hold that. I'll say right now they're currently trying to hold that 20 moving average. And guys, there are orders at that level. I'm going to tell you there are orders at that level. As you guys know, we're also trading heavily on our guys on our fire and ice indicator. If you want access to that, of course, you have to join. It's only a VIP perk, but look at the levels, guys. Look at the entries, the exits. It's just all day long VIP are trading in the back. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Way to go, guys. Way to trade. Nice that we caught that move in the back. And guys, we're going to be ready, guys, for movements to the upside, to the downside. This is a market. It can be unforgiving. Make sure that you're not overexposed. And remember, guys, this is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, and not financial advice. VIP, let's go. Let's trade, guys. Let's work into the weekend. Let's have a good one. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.